Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Ka Hnloct&Pa Land Owner Coal Trader and Producer Association hakanyo trip nailar arjar khat kendai. Kalapan ko Burom ya ki Nongsynshar Chnong bat ikiri rong ba ki balai don benta bani no senyang ha ka jing khun banyo ya ka jing itho bat jing pen scam ya ka jing long try halor ka khendo ko siap hadien ba ka National Green Tribunal kalapan mi ek hukum ban khang ti Dewïong ha ka jela me klia brokwe ya ka ni ka jing lang la pelong ha ka Chnong upper New Nongsynshar ha ka ba dikhe jar ngut ki pai ba kan thup ru ki noi lam Chnong ki noi lam niam bat ki re rong ba jong ka than West Khasi Hills ki la tu chi ka ta jing lang ba lawan mansa khilang ru da menteri rang ba jong jela Konrad ke sangma upla long kum kongsan haringkat ka jing don lang ru usembut menteri rang ba ka jela uba Preston tensong kum usembut kongsan uba met ba lingdo menteri katnat water resources and tourism uba Macmillan Bersat MD Kanongstony uba Gigor Merthong MD Kamotion Road uba H Brolding Nongsi MD Kamothai Rashan upa EPCM usm jo Hnloct&Pa bat kiwe menteri rang ba ka jela Konrad ke sangma habakran kum ukongsan hagni ke sngiw laong ba ka jing penmi ke Supreme Court ya karai dangshan halor ka kamti Dewïong kalapen scam ru ya ka jing long trai long kanrat jong ki pat ba ka jela me klia halor ka khendau siam ha ka bay dei bagni ke jingjom menteri rang ba lai ku blai kerpang ya borok ki pat ba ki blai sha stom lang kat ba ka mukodema kadang dan hapok kami jong ka yeng bisar lakum ba saus nem tam ki noilam ke Hnloct&Pa Land Owner Coal Trader and Producer Association hagni sngi gelapan ku Burom yo menteri rang ba ya sembut menteri rang ba yo MLA Nongsynshar lembat gisau pu arngot ki noilam ka Hnloct&Pa
Rusnem araja khatsau khat nhiều trek jong bulan April araja khatsau leseni kenmau bagane ka sngi hagaba ka National Green Tribunal ka ying bisar ka bapek ya ka jing baha jing miat ha ki saudong saupun ke environment kala permi ya ka hukum wa ya ka jing khang ti Dewïong ha ke jela mi klia lapen sange no badai nadu ka tai ka por ba ni gilas dan ban ya ki kore ka be dei bat kan ni ka issue kata ka NGT kala ne em marwan khang ya ka jing ti Dewïong ha pendeng salang kala ne em marwan khang ya jika ti Dewïong ki jongi ki bron jong ka ni West Khasi Hills don sibun ki breu ko prakhat ba ka khndeu ka dei ka jongi kumta tanumla manum khang handrai ha bala pen bena la ai ya ka hukum na ka jing bisa jong NGT sa ka soka mi kaya lang ba chief secretary baro tila sangel kata ka dei ka bor jong ka ai ya ka ba ni snutu kumno ka trikam
how this particular judgment was achieved, and therefore it has been late. The justice that we should have got was late, but it was not denied to us. And today I must thank the Honorable Supreme Court for having taken cognizance of our tribal rights and restored them back by saying that the land, the soil and the subsoil belong to the tribal people, belong to the owners, whether individual, private or community ownership. I'm happy to tell you that as a government, now we will ensure that we get the proper notifications, proper orders, move with the national government, central government to get things in a streamlined manner. Having said that, friends, we have all fought for this for a very long time. But let me tell you, our work has to continue. Right now, we have been able to achieve a certain level of success. We have been able to give direction to a problem that seemed to have no direction at all. Somebody is talking about transportation, somebody is talking about mining, somebody was talking about environment, somebody was talking about ownership. And because of all these different issues in front of us, there was a complete complexity and confusion. And we are all here gathered today because of a historic judgment that took place on the 3rd of July 2019. A lot of people sometimes don't understand the gravity and the intensity of this order. We are thinking about the coal issue, and that is what drove all of us to finally work towards finding a solution. But the order that came out is beyond the coal industry. It goes beyond any kind of mineral rights that we might have. It goes to the level of telling the whole nation and the whole world that our rights are unique. Our people are unique. And the traditional laws that we have had, they must be recognized. The rights of the tribal people living in Meghalaya must be recognized. The order that came out on July 3rd does exactly that. It recognizes the rights of the tribals. It gives back all the rights that we always deserve to have. That is why this is a historic judgment, and as I said, it goes beyond just simple business and beyond just simple coal. In the coming years will be remembered. Today I understand that the issue of coal mining has been bothering us for many years. I don't have to go into the background because all of you know the background. All I can say is that it is very sad to see that we all had to wait for 5 long years to finally find a way forward. So my friends, this is really an effort that has been put in by all the stakeholders. This is not a one man or one person or one organization effort. The fact that all the stakeholders came together, they spoke in one voice, they strategized in one voice, and ensured that the arguments were placed one by one in a systematic manner.
This is the history. Karega history. Kapogari pakai ni begini. Kini ki akli ki bentak ki badon kamtam. Kaba baro si kata dari tan kata gaji tu kana polis kam bagi long try. Henry buat ikan main English tu hab apply na soka jelas. Main English ke pamut kakot Hnloct&Pa hakaketin kasi. Nang layar posun ko. Ngasih lombo. Ba kidon ar lai tuli kihima. Hapo wesa sedesik duni. Di bala perlong ayo itu dustu berti. Bila ada qualify. Kung kahima nostoi langgen maharam. Kalau ada qualify, kalau ada perlong ayo itu dustu berti. Bat kaladon lu kajing batai. Definition. Siapa kendo kasia. Ipat kabenta kabadon kamtam kabangi la job. Kung becat bener begini, lembah ke Himanoston, lembah ke Jingklei, Shitom, jangan disoka ke pemerintah lomba, mensuara dan kuat emotion, ini hapan yok ya ke mining list, nak soka jelas. So this is the first time, if you gone through the contents of the judgment as per para 129, 130, it is the private owner or the community owner will grant the mining list.
Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ Rumah